Manuel Rubio here with Miracle Body and Paint. So now your vehicle has had its vitals taken, if you will. The pre-scan has been assessed. So now it can go into the estimating process. So the service writer will get back to the vehicle. After talking to the insurance company, they may authorize disassembling the vehicle and preparing an estimate, or writing a preliminary estimate without disassembly of the damaged parts, right? So we prefer to do both, of course, initially. Write an estimate without the disassembled vehicle, and then go ahead and take off the bumper, the headlamps, the fender, and look for hidden damages, right? Damages that may have happened to the radiator support, which is right behind your headlamps, the condenser, your AC condenser, your radiator, additional damages that you can't see until you disassemble the vehicle. They're to take proper photos of all the damaged parts, and they're to add them to the estimate and start that relationship with the insurance company. Be transparent, show them what they know up to that point is damaged, and there may be additional damage that will be found as the car starts getting repaired. So often it's 2 or 3 or 4 estimates to finally capture everything that's damaged. To learn more about the process, stay tuned for our next session. I'd love to share more with you.